Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the filter dryer on the refrigeration system. This is filter dryer. I'm going to remove the old one and then I'll put the new one later on. It's as simple as that. You just unsweat it, put a lot of heat on the pipe work and on the dryer itself, and that's how you remove it. It comes off easily. Now I'm going to let the pipe work cool down a little bit. Once it's cooled down, I'm going to clean it with the abrasive cloth just to get better penetration when soldering or brazing a new filter dryer. Alright guys, back again. Like I said, pipe work now is cooled down. As you can see, I can touch it with my bare hand, so I can go ahead and clean it up just for a better penetration. Clean it up with the abrasive cloth. You can get them from any counter that sells refrigeration parts. I can see now, might as well make sure you clean it properly before you braze the new dryer. Like I said, it makes your job easier and your brazing cleaner. Do the other side as well, and like you see, I'm trying to go easy. I don't want to drop my camera, like you say. Now it's all clean. I can go ahead and put my new filter dryer. Alright guys, now I'll put my filter dryer, my new filter dryer back in place here. That's the new filter dryer. Make sure you follow the arrow, put the dryer correctly, otherwise it will block. You need to follow the refrigerant flow, the refrigerant coming from the receiver, going this way and out to the evaporator. So this is the arrow, this is the refrigerant flow. So I'm going to go ahead and braze it. I'm going to use this brazing rod. And in the meantime, I'm going to use some of the flats for better penetration. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to warm this bit a little bit and then put some brazing in. And I'm going to go ahead and braze it. And you can see with the flags, you get a better penetration. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side of the dryer, the inlet of dryer, brace it the same as the, like you see, as the outlet. Just going to put some heat, not too much heat, just enough to melt your brazing rod. Once again, this is for beginners. I'm not talking about experienced refrigeration engineers. This is for beginners who just came out of college or they want to get into the trade. So I'm going to do the other side. Now I finished brazing. I'm gonna go and check with my mirror if I missed anything. I can go with my mirror here and see the back. It's all good. Nice shoulder. On this side, same. As you can see, it's all nice and tidy. Got a bit of a shoulder here, bit of a shoulder here. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the orifice on the expansion valve. I'll see you then.